Good day, everyone. It's natural living with Marks and Son.
Hi everybody, I'm Sun from Natural Yurt Living, and we are going to show you how to make the wall insulation. So what are we using? We need a wall element. We've got 12 wall elements, and this one is, all of them are made out of thin plywood so that we can bend it into the shape of a round yurt. We also need insulation, lots of tape, steam diffusion membrane, scissors and a stapler, and last but not least, a measuring tape. Step 1 is to paint the wall element. Step 2 is to tape it. So, this tape is for the insulation, the cross that you see, and on the sides it's for the steam diffusion membrane. The next step is to mark the middle. On both sides. Then when you have the middle point, you put the insulation together and simply spread it out. I'm making it stick to the wall element. So we chose for this particular insulation the sheep wool because it's very portable. So with some of these insulations, they are not so portable because when you move them around or when it touches something else, the insulation just breaks and then doesn't go out anymore. With this you can do really whatever you want with it, and it always goes back into its natural form.
For more security, we're putting a nail in the middle on the top of this element so that the insulation cannot fall off. You have to really squeeze it first through the insulation to be able to hammer it in the wood. Yeah, that's it. And we're doing that 6 times.
So what we have now is the steam diffusion membrane. What we are doing is we're putting this, of course, over our insulation, and we have the middle here. We marked it, and we're putting that on the middle there. Under here there is a very sticky thing, so we can put that on there as well. So as you can see, this piece of fabric, or this diffusion membrane, the steam diffusion membrane, is a bit longer than our wall element. And this is because we've got a 12 centimeter insulation that goes up. So we needed to make it a bit longer. And here we have the tape where we are going to glue this thing on the corner here, like there, like so. And this we will glue this whole thing until the end here. We will glue it all there. And then, as you can see, there's a little bit of a distance here that we left open. This is because of the wall poles that we will put in between.
At the corners we always make 2 lashes on each side to give the corner enough space, and the in-between parts we secure with the staple. At the corners now I have this flap, and to make it tight we have this special type of like steam diffuse open tape. And so I'm gonna, to close it off, I'm gonna put this over here. And this tape is so sticky, it's really almost ripping your fingers open, so it's good stuff. And then I'm always standing on it to make it really stick well, and to secure it I'm going with the staple here one more time, and then it's good.
Yeah. So the last part is to connect these 2 fabrics together, and this one already has like a strip with some really sticky tape. So we're just going to connect this, and then all of our insulation is wrapped, and that's our wall element, insulated, so that we can stay nice and warm in winter. So that's it. We wrapped everything inside. All the insulation is packed. Leave a comment below if you have any questions for us. We will be very happy to answer them. Okay?